Public swimming pool. I think it's nicer over there. Hey, right, so today we're going to Magpupungko, which is a beach that's got a rock formation inside the sea on the beach, which acts like a public swimming pool. So that should be quite nice. Morning. Hey, morning, what's up? And also we're going to Coconut Forest, which is a forest full of palm trees, which I'm looking forward to because palm trees are my favourite trees, so that should be good. Okay, here we go. Shame the weather's so bad. Now that you can't, coast guards are stopping all the boats, so you can't get to any islands. This is a shame. Tree, they call it. Yeah, Magpupungko. Magpupungko. Horrible rocks. It's terrible trying to walk on this shit. Gotta come to the Philippines, you get a freaking broken ankle. Your feet will be... This is why I left Europe. Too many rocky freaking beaches. Too many rocks, too many people. Too difficult to walk. Oh, there's the pool. Rock on top of a rock. Difficult to walk on this friggin' beach when it's all made of rock. I didn't realise Philippines were friggin' rock, planet rock. That's the only thing I don't like about this place. Too many rocky beaches. Anyway, here's some drone footage. Pacific seafood. This is mango float, and it's very nice. It's crackers, ice cream, mango, layered. Let's try it sometime.
Cebu mango, Indian mango, the small one. We have the Carabao mango. We have apple mango. And it's always been the best fruit in the Philippines. It's good, right?
Oo, ka-phone niya ni Mama.
Okay.
Mama Mary. Mama Mary.
Good night.